How do I reset my washing machine after fixing the E3 error code?
Hello everyone, welcome to our How to Guide. Today we will be discussing a very common issue that a lot of you might have come across, the E3 error code on your washing machine. More importantly, we'll be guiding you on how to reset your washing machine after fixing this error.
What is the E3 error code?
The E3 error code is a common problem seen in many washing machines. It's generally indicative of a motor issue or a jam in the drum. However, the exact meaning can vary depending on the brand and model of your washing machine. Remember, always refer to your appliance's user manual for exact definitions.
How to reset your washing machine?
Once you've resolved the E3 error issue, it's crucial to reset your washing machine to ensure it functions correctly. Here are the general steps. 1. Turn off your washing machine. This can be done by either turning the knob to the off position or by unplugging it directly from the power source. 2. Wait for a few minutes. It is recommended to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This waiting period allows the machine's internal systems to fully power down. 3. Turn the washing machine back on. Plug the machine back into the power source or turn the knob to the on position. If your machine has a reset button, press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. 4. Run a test cycle. Finally, without any clothes in the drum, run a short wash cycle to make sure everything is working correctly. Remember, these steps might vary slightly depending on the make and model of your washing machine, so it's always a good idea to consult your user manual. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has been helpful and you're able to reset your washing machine after fixing the E3 error code. Remember, if the problem persists, it's always best to contact a professional for further assistance. Until next time, keep your washing machine spinning smoothly.